In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change an image in Elementor. Now, if you're new to Elementor or just looking to refine your skills, don't worry, I'm here to guide you through each step clearly and thoroughly, so let's get started. First, you'll need to open your WordPress dashboard. Once you're logged in, look to the left-hand side of your screen where you'll find the menu. Here, you want to hover over Pages until you see a submenu pop up. Choose the All Pages option from this submenu. This will take you to a list of all the pages on your site. Find the page that you wish to edit and hover over it, which will reveal a few options. Select the Edit with Elementor option. Clicking this will open the Elementor editor. Now that you're in the Elementor edit mode, direct your gaze to the area of the page where the image you want to change is located. Hover over the existing image and you'll notice a blue border appear around it, along with a toolbar at the top of the image. Click on the image, and over on the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see the Image Widget panel open up. In the Image Widget panel, you'll see several options, but for now, your focus should be on the image itself. Go ahead and click on the current image in this panel. This action opens your media library. Now, from the media library, you can upload a new image, select an image that's already been uploaded, or even pick an image from the media library's other sources. It's important to ensure that the image you choose is the appropriate resolution and size for your website to maintain a professional appearance. After you've selected your image, don't forget to adjust the image settings on the panel to the left. Here you can alter the alignment, caption, and even include a link if that's necessary. Once you're satisfied with how the new image looks, make sure to click the green Update button at the bottom of the panel. This is crucial because if you navigate away from this page without clicking Update, any changes you've made, including your newly added image, will be lost. Finally, to confirm your changes have been successful, take a moment to preview your page. You can do this by clicking on the icon, labeled Preview Changes, at the bottom left corner of the Elementor panel. This allows you to see your page exactly as visitors will view it. And there you have it. You've successfully changed an image in Elementor. It's a simple process, yet it makes a significant difference in keeping your site visually appealing and up to date. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out.